get to see a serum product within a body lotion. Diba naririnig natin yung mga serum pang mga face creams, pero ito, sa mga nag-effort magdala ng props, diba? Ayan, okay, so let's bring up Marco for our photo opportunity. Marco Gumanga, come on! Okay, so ayan, we have 3 batches, or 3 to 4. First batch of again, up to 50% off here at Watson's Beauty Con. There we go. One more with our VIPs. One more photo. So much once again to Marco Gumama and Catherine Bordano for joining us here today for Fresh Philippines. Yes, go ahead, stay extra fresh, everyone. Of winners. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready for that, because that's coming right up. But right before I leave you to your photos with your fans, maybe a last word before saying goodbye officially, or before we do the photos?
Okay, it's been fun.
This thing on the skin is lightweight, right?
Yes, and yet, we love the cooling effect it gives.
And yet, hindi siya sticky, diba? Lightweight, hydrating. At yun nga, you mentioned, pwede siya after sun care na din, diba? Kasi may aloe vera.
May aloe vera and alam natin so
ml as well.
Okay, yes.
So,
para may travel size.
May travel size, something you can put in your bag, and something na pang pang skincare, body care every night.
Oh, I love that. Okay, so this is really your go-to, no?
Correct.
So